Today's tutorial is a very quick one, very simple. We're going to be going over spot removal. So if you look right here, these are all sensor spots. Sensor spots are just little tiny flecks of dust that get on the sensor. This happens when you change your lens out in the field, which I do quite often. And sometimes I don't have the time to clean my sensor thoroughly before heading out again. So every single shot that I took this particular day was one of those situations where I just had sensor dust and just have to deal with it in post-production. Getting rid of it is pretty straightforward. We're going to use our spot removal tool. I like to keep mine on heel. I've got a slight feather, and you just click and let Lightroom remove the spots. Now, what can get a little bit tedious is sometimes the spots are not always this easy to identify. I mean, some of these more obvious ones they're pretty easy to see. It's a nice dark spot, but sometimes if you look up in here, some of these spots are pretty faint, and we don't want them to stay in the image. So down here, if you follow my mouse, down here, there's this little checkbox that says Visualize Spots. As straightforward as that is what makes a difference here. And so we can adjust our threshold for how intensely our spot visualizer is going to create contrast around the spots. Again, it's looking for edges, so you can see that now it's going to start finding the edges of all our grain and digital noise. But it's also these little rings that we're seeing right here. These are all sensor spots, and we can see them a little bit easier now that we have our Visualize Spots tool clicked on. So at this point, it's simply a matter of going through and just clicking our spot removal tool on all of these sensor spots that we have just identified. So again, we're looking for these little tiny circular patterns. These are going to be those sensor dots, and the way that this Visualize Spot tool works is it's looking for edges again. So that's why these are appearing as little rings instead of spots. The smaller the spot, the more it will look just like a spot, but overall we're looking for these little tiny ring-shaped things. These are going to be our sensor dust spots. And once you have gone through and used the spot removal tool on all of these little tiny sensor spots, you should have a nice clean image. So from what I can see, it looks like we have found everything. We're going to go ahead and turn off Visualize Spots and just take a look at our image. Click Done. Oh, it looks like there's one right up here that we missed, so I'm going to click my tool back on. Sometimes they're hard to see in the Visualize Spots mode, sometimes they're harder to see in the standard view mode, so it's just a matter of using the tools that you have and cleaning it up as best you can. It looks like, I can't quite tell, but it looks like there's another one right here. So now we've got a nice, clean, spot-free sky. This image is ready to export now. So like I said, very simple tutorial. When you're looking for hot pixels in noise or sensor dust spots, or even just things, elements on the lens, visualizing spots, this little checkbox down here makes it really easy to identify where those spots are located. Hope this helps. Hopefully you won't have to use this tool very often, but in the event that you do, this will make it a lot easier to find and clean up your image. Thanks for watching.